poppin'? What's good? Guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, we are gonna have a pretty exciting day. Well, as exciting as I can make it out to be. It might sound like I have like a lot of energy and I'm ready for the day and I'm good to go and I'm just so bubbly. But really and truly, I'm super tired. But I have to do this because we're on the vlog, right? But anyway, guys, I woke up at like today, well, in general, every day I wake up like 5:30, start work at like 6 a.m. in the morning. And now it's like 10 o'clock. So I've been working from that point, you know, writing reports, you know, dealing with people and stuff. So that's been pretty much my day, and I'm super tired. Why? Because I went to bed like at 1 a.m. last night, and I do this religiously. So like 4 hours of sleep. Oh my God, I must be an Energizer bunny. But that's pretty much my deal right now. But fortunately, I had like a 4-hour break, and that got extended more because I had like 4 more sessions I had to deal with today, and for some reason those got cancelled or something. So I have free time, so it gives me more time to do more errands on the road today, and also to, you know, get in some sleep, because I really need that. But the main agenda for today really is that we're going to Taco Tuesdays. You guys might have seen on my Snapchat where I went to Taco Tuesdays once, and that was pretty good. I enjoyed the vibe. It's at a restaurant called Chilitos, Mexican food, pretty affordable, pretty nice. I like it there. But the main reason why we're going there today is because we're going to be meeting another YouTuber. Yo, we're meeting this guy called Hakeem. His name will be here, there, and everywhere on the channel. You'll be able to find the link. You can check him out, see what kind of videos he got. But the main reason why I want to do this is because, you know, him hit me up a few months ago. I think when I was in New York, like in November, and he was like, yo, you know, it's here doing your thing, Ray. And I'm like, yo, let's do this. But I have a busy schedule, so this is why we're finally getting time to do it. So I'm gonna be meeting him, and why I like that is because I'm gonna be meeting somebody who has the same vibe, the same kind of energy that I have, and understands the struggles of doing this whole vlogging thing. Because people sit back and like, oh my God, vlogging is easy. All I need is a Canon G7X and I'm good. Well, really and truly, it's more than that. So I'm gonna be meeting somebody. We're gonna be talking and chilling, and I'm doing this for you guys too, because I'm sure some of you might see him on his platform doing his videos, and then you see me doing my videos, and it's gonna be kind of cool for you guys to see like 2 people, you know, chilling out and realize that we're actually real people and we hang together. So I'm gonna be doing that. But you know what's funny? I really want to do, you know, get my Instagram page for Ibby, you know, lit. You know, start doing more creative stuff, start doing more funny stuff, because literally on my phone I have probably like 160 skits. Like I have enough skits for like an entire year, because when things come to my head I just write them down. So like maybe 10-20 minutes ago, because this is like the 3rd time I'm recording this video, because the other 2 I didn't like them, so I tossed them. So it's my 3rd time recording this video. That's how hard this crap is sometimes. You're looking back and you're like, yo, I don't like this. So what I did, I was, you know, play acting in my head like a skit that I had, and it was just funny. Yo, in my head I was like, yo, this is funny. I like it. I love it. And then when I took my phone out just to see what it would look like when I, you know, how I sound, and I did it, and it wasn't funny again. Because quite frankly, like the camera is kind of like the 2nd or the 3rd person in the room. It feels like you guys are actually here looking into my soul, looking at all my imperfection and saying, he is so ugly. He is not funny. That's how I feel, to be quite honest. So I was doing that. That's one of the main reasons why I got the new camera too, so I can have like 2 perspectives in terms of camera angles when I'm gonna be doing videos and stuff. And you know, I'm gonna go after it. You guys gonna see my journey. You guys gonna see me succeed, or yo, why? Would even eat mango. Dog, I thought about succeed. But you guys gonna see me actually trying to, you know, do this thing to, you know, see if I'm successful at doing it or if I fail at it. And I'm gonna try it, you know, I'm gonna go after it, you know, see how I can do it. I think the biggest thing for me is not really the ideas to like make it funny and stuff, but like the camera angles and also the acting, you know, to actually get the idea out. Because it's easy to have a good idea, but can you actually execute it? You know, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be meeting up with Hakeem, you know, maybe we can run across a few ideas, and in the future maybe we can do something together and stuff. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. I also want to go to Alzheimer's yeah, oh, I also want to go to the gym maybe. I haven't been in like a long time because I don't have the time, so I will try to go to the gym today. And I want to get a fresh haircut as well. Trying to work on a different style, you know, maybe make myself look a little bit more fresh or something, but that's pretty much the plan. So hopefully the next time you guys see me, I should be shaking the hand of Hakeem Kush. Hopefully he's not like an abductor and he doesn't take me away or something like that. And if he does, hopefully someone finds a camera, at least finds a micro SD card to know exactly where I went and who I went with. So I told you guys that hopefully next time. No, I'm not. Why? It's real. It's a vlog. It's supposed to be this way. Yeah. So I told you guys that the next time you see me, I'll be like shaking Hakeem's hand, but like in the there. They're stuck right now, so we're waiting on him. I'm here with ugly girl Judah. And Judah friend coming as well, so it's gonna be like 4 of us. Just gonna chill, eat some tacos and stuff, and then, you know, try and enjoy the night. I think I saw him. Real quick, G, what's up, my nigga? You good? Man, your vibe just look dead, so dog. I can't believe on YouTube your vibe just dead. Block him off of YouTube.
I was like, another one. You just bought a plane ticket for your girlfriend? God. Rich! God. No, when I said that, oh shit.
So what's the funny, guys? Like, you guys meet Hakeem and Judah is here with her friend David, and then like I just knew somebody's gonna know somebody, like, you see me, and them know each other, so it's kind of weird. But like, when me alone, I know nobody here except Judah, so yeah.
Quickly.
When I touch that, you know. Look away. Don't have So this is the menu, guys. Taco Tuesdays, I think it's like 2 bills, soft or whatever, or margarita. I'm about to have me a margarita still. You see me? This is where we are. Menu is small and simple. For me, I like a smaller menu. I don't like when the menu is like packed with a whole heap of crap. So we're just waiting on the waiter and then the waitress, and we're good. Dead.
Yeah, but there's some shit on her snap. Yeah. Load up one food, me on snap, about certain shit.
Yeah. Yeah, she's ready.
Sorry,
fair time. Yeah.
Which one?
They're not. Alright, can you start me off with like the mojito? What no, what is it? The margarita? Margarita? Give me the strawberry. I think I'll like that. The strawberry one.
Want some margaritas? Margaritas are gonna be strawberry lime or mango?
Lime. I think it's good.
I never had it before, but margaritas are normally good.
One lime and the drink menu. Alright, I don't know for one, please.
So guys, the basic of any group meeting, the first thing you need is Wi-Fi. Like everybody asks for Wi-Fi, especially Judah. Judah first asks for Wi-Fi because she is a phone whore. I don't know why, but yeah. So I got my strawberry, what?
No, strawberry, strawberry.
My strawberry, what is mojito? No, daiquiri, my strawberry daiquiri and stuff.
Are you ready to take your orders while I'm waiting on the rest of them?
Yeah, we can do that.
Are we all having tacos? I feel like that's what's happening.
I want tacos. Yeah, tacos.
I want 2 soft. Oh no, I want 2 hard, 1 soft.
Hold on.
You mind bringing us like a next menu, please?
Really?
Yeah, you know the thing already, man. Yeah.
Oh, the shit is strong.
You're learning over there.
I'm gonna give you footage. Alright, I can get a crunchy. Chicken.
How many crunches you want?
Oh,
How many hard ones you want?
Yeah. How many hard ones you want?
yeah, how much you buy?
Check the one with the white cream filling, don't you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna no, it was it's my first time. I can't do this. Why?
Yo, man, I'm not gonna lie, this thing is good. It really is. I like it, man. Nice.
How many days did I rate the man?
Yeah, his face is in it.
I'm gonna try to like some photos.
But better some we drop the vlog with you.
Yeah.
Your first video, I'm gonna say something about this. It's Gaza girl.
Oh yeah.
She's the one that made
bigger up on the vlog, dog.
Big up yourself, Gaza girl. You know,
Yeah.
beat an awesome vlogger.
Because you set the link, Gaza girl.
You set the link.
Big up yourself, Gaza girl. A long time to big you up. I know it's your birthday gone like a long time, but belated. She didn't have a bigger up, but you see me? Happy belated birthday. I respect you watching the videos and thanks for setting the trend with me and the nigga, yeah, you see me? Cool dude, you see me? Gaza, big up. Now go live sometime too, no?
Yeah, them serious.
She just hugged the girl.
Yeah, pretty much like phone profiling. So I told them going to check if the girl actually have an iPhone 7 because they actually made a bet that 3 persons in here will have an iPhone 7. So let's see what the verdict is. They're coming back.
The worst person you gonna take. The worst person you gonna take.
She owes me money.
I'm so mad.
She's like,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the enchilada.
It's lit.
No, let me have the wait. Yes, please. Yeah.
What's that?
Wait for too long. I don't remember. Nacho Supreme, I think.
Nacho Supreme?
Yeah. Is it good? It's really good. It's really good.
no, what's that?
Nacho Supreme.
Oh, that looks good. First time.
First time for everything. What is
Anybody
it?
want that right now?
What is that?
Enchilada.
What that?
Rice, beans, cheese, beef.
What? Oh, she looks so nasty.
Victoria's Secret thing that I like. Four blue ones. I don't know that, I think.
This is the Aki taco. Shell. Zoom in a bit. Aki taco is really good. Yeah, if you guys know me, I can't really hold my liquor. I'm not good at holding liquor. This is my second one and I feel nice. I can't drink it. If I drink like big man, if I drink one beer, I'm nice.
One beer.
One fucking beer. But yeah, easy for sober still, so I'm good.
Fireworks in my mouth. It was awesome.
Like fireworks in your mouth?
It was like an explosion, like boom.
Boom.
Like, damn.
Failed.
You're walking it on this thing. Walking it on. Jesus Christ.
Come on. Girls, I'm pretty.
Great vibe. I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's a mad vibe. I'm actually really happy to actually meet Hakeem in person. You see me? Because they have a good vibe, you see me? Just easy to just roll and talk. So I kind of rate that, you see me? So hopefully we're going to be doing like different things to actually do, like something else, like something more outdoors or go somewhere to chill. So, yo, man, I like the vibe, we're under liquor and stuff. I'm good. So, I mean, you guys, anybody in Kingston or planning to come to Kingston, remember Taco Tuesdays, 2 for 1 on a Tuesday. The tacos are really good. They have other stuff here. And this strawberry ducky was like 4 bills or like something. So it's like, yeah, I'm drunk. So like, when I decided I go to Amsterdam, I go to movies, him so I go home to them things. You see me? And him say, if I go over the what? Where I go to?
I'm gonna do 5 finger shuffle. if it's too bad, we're not gonna do it again.
Okay.
Alright.
So I'm gonna look down here first.
Look where?
Camera.
Okay.
Alright. So yo, I heard for 1 second, right? 1 second, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I don't want to.
Yo, that's why I asked you. You love me? Alright.
What is you tasing, Barry?
No, this is my next friend.
Oh my god.
Where's my, he never get tasted. Seat and I'm just
Never get tasted?
He never get tasted.
Wow.
And I can barely brace by him.
Oh shit. Alright, let's see. Dog, one arm on the pillar tight.
Man? Let me bite it.
All this is awkward.
You see this shit?
Wait. Wait. Guys, stop it. Stop.
Yo, this is awkward. Like for the whole day, like these two girls have been talking to each other. Like I don't know what they're talking about. Like seriously, but it's weird. Like, what do you think, Hakeem?
Whoa, hold on.
But yeah, I'm daring you. That was in my head from day, and I was like, yo, man, dare a nigga for actually go up and get some numbers tonight.
No, I have a girlfriend now.
I know you have a girlfriend, but it's also fun at it. You're not gonna use the numbers. But there's a beautiful girl over there. She needs some attention, maybe, or maybe not. Are you ready? Alright, let's see.
So my nigga, wait, when this shit is
Yo, don't punk out, man. Don't be looking at the bill and be start punking out, man.
Yo, man, what's man? I swear to God, this was the price. I said 6,000 for 2 fucking tacos. And I was like,
Nah.
I was like, what the fuck did you just do to me? Not punk for that.
If you fail, me not gonna lie.
Wait, as in, what, I have to get the number?
No, just say something. You know, say you're beautiful or come on.
I got this right now. I'm just gonna take her order.
Alright, sure. My boy's about to go in. You know, he's scoping her out. He's giving her the dreamy eyes. That whole craziness. You know, that whole. He's pumping up his chest and stuff.
Yo, this nigga wild.
I won't show you guys exactly, you know, because she's gonna be in it, but like I'll tell you the results. If it's firm victory or firm failure. He doing it. He's sitting down. Like honestly, to be quite frank, like I'm super nervous for him. It's not even me. I'm nervous.
That's the end of the first. I got this one.
Chelito's #1 waitress. You don't know. She lit. She lit.
Big up to Angela every time. Yeah.
Big up, isn't it?
Angela every time.
Did you get 2? Did you get a 2? Huh? Okay. But yeah, so my boy over there talking to the girl and stuff. But it's just a challenge. It's not like nothing fancy. I don't know. But it's fun though. That's cool. Well, let me catch it on the vlog, bro. I did it again on the vlog. You see me? It's a pleasure, man.
Catching the vlog.
Yeah, I want to catch a good bye on the vlog. Bye. Thank you. Wow. That's soft. Huh? Soft? Yeah, I'll go up a soft side? Okay.
Well, you know we're not gonna move this.
So right now, everybody's gonna be parting ways and stuff. Hakeem, I call him cab and thing and thing. You see me? Yo, it was a really...
Could I get a cab from Jamaica?
Yo, trust me, it was a really good link, dog.
Real dog.
I swear, this bro is real. When you see him, when I do upon him vlogs, it's real. There's no fake thing. The man just chill certain ways, you see me? Don't know.
Biggest thing ever.
Guys, for me, it's pretty much the end of the vlog. Yo, today, it's chill. I really enjoy, completely enjoy, you know, meeting up with Hakeem today. And, you see me, Judah, and Daveen, and Daveen's boyfriend and stuff, yo. It was really cool. But anyway, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Remember, guys, love nature and adaptation, and remember, keep the link. And if you did like this video, remember, don't forget, click the like button, guys. You guys are the end. You guys like the video. Come on, bruh. Oh, and subscribe.